Hello mga pipsag angkes. Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Kinabisayan Dajo. Ito yung view pag morning. So, as you can see here, I'm wearing a float para makita tayo sa dilim. So, habang medyo maaga pa papunta sa train, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang view ng Christmas light decoration here. As you can see, if I'm doing my Elvis in my window, this is the big trees here with blow that you can see all the time. So, ito yung ipapakita ko sa inyo guys ha. Okay. So, ito yung nakikita nyo parati. Yung big Christmas tree decoration. Christmas lights decoration. Ito yung sa labas ng namin. So, ito yung front. Malagi nyo nakikita. So, somewhere out there. Okay, so I'm not gonna show you exactly. That's crazy habitat Madagascar. So, ito yung view niya parang Good evening mga pipsal angkes. This is our simple Christmas Eve dinner. So, let's eat! Our simple dinner, Christmas Eve. This is, how you call this? Spare ribs. Spare ribs with honing, I think. And then with fries and salad. And also from my hubby is also spare ribs. I don't know how you call that menu. It looks very masarap. So we're having our dinner here in our small table in the front of the TV. Masarap, di ba? Masarap. 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 Simple lang. Medyo okay ngayon. Bukan, ya. Ada nak baik. Drink. Kaba, 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 kaba. Baik, kaba ang dibdib ko. You want it yourself? No. Okay, dokie. Let us show you something. Itu kan. Where is it? Tidak see you. Ching ching. Hi. Happy New Year.